Hey, what's going on, Alisa here? So in this Leadsleap tutorial for beginners, we are going to explore the Leadsleap co-op program. So quickly here, let's go to my Leadsleap dashboard. So for those who don't know, Leadsleap is an all-in-one marketing platform, where you can do your advertisements either for free or as a pro member. You can do some reviews, right? So you can write some reviews on some programs that you are advertising. So you can have a tracker as well, a tracker, and you can do email marketing. You can create funnels, etc. And in Leadsleap, basically you have five ways of earning, right? You have 5 ways to earn money with Leadsleap. So today we are focusing on the co-op program, right? So basically, the co-op program, you get a special link, right? Is kind of a rotator, right? A rotator where there is a lot of offers, right? So let's say I click on enter here. So normally it's each time you have a different offer, right? Each time that somebody click on the link, it's going to be a different offer, right? And when the person's let's say stays at least 5 seconds on your co-op link, you get some credits, right? So you get some co-op earnings. So it's at least 10 cents per click, right? So that's what you will earn, 10 cents per click, right? So and also don't forget in Leadsleap, it's very important to highlight that you can click on tutorials. So if you want to learn more, about the core programs and how it works. So you can click on tutorial any page you are on, right? Or only you can also, if you saw some interrogation mark, you can just mouse over, for example here, right? You can mouse over on the interrogation mark so that you can have more info on the different elements you want to learn. Okay, so now you may ask, how do you promote your co-op link, right? How do you promote your special co-op link, right? So in order to get 10 cents per click, right? So first of all, you cannot promote your link through Leadsleap. So they have a powerful system that track exactly, if the link is being used on Leadsleap or if it's a bot click. So any bot click and Leadsleap click won't be contabilized, So in order to promote your co-op link, you can promote it anywhere, right? Especially on traffic exchanges, right? So for example, here, as you can see, October 31st, I have 11 visitors. October 30, I have 90 visitors, So, and it's all traffic exchanges here, you see? All those click are traffic exchanges, So, yeah, so that's how the co-op link, works. Right? And if at any time you have any questions, so you can ask the question in the comments. I will do my best to answer. Okay, guys, I hope you had value with this training, and see you in the next video.